Hello there, if you're looking to install the Java Development Kit on your system, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, visit the official Oracle website to download the JDK installer. Navigate to the Java SE downloads page. Scroll down to find the JDK version appropriate for your operating system and click on the download link. You may need to log in with an Oracle account, accept the license agreement when prompted. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded installer file and double-click on it to run the installer. The JDK Setup Wizard will guide you through the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose the installation directory or any additional options. Once the installation is complete, open a command prompt or terminal window and type java/version followed by enter. If Java is installed correctly, you should see the installed version of Java displayed in the output. To configure your system to recognize the installed JDK, you may need to set the java/home environment variable. Refer to the documentation for your operating system on how to do this. To confirm that JDK is properly installed and configured, you can compile and run a simple Java program. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Java Development Kit on your system. Now you're ready to start developing Java applications. Happy coding, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.